mga day, mga day. Ubanik ninyo mag-unbox mga ipamalit sa South Mall. Sugan na to. Sa short ni Dada. Here you go. It's Green Cooper. This is 10 reals. And then this is 10 reals each. This is for baby. It's tummy. 10 reals lang nilay. One. Another tummy. This is so cute. Kanijug ko na budol. One. Bag. Very nice color. And it's DKNY. Next. Another sleeve bag. It's parfum. See? Ano po ang naday? Then two shirts for me. All white. This one is nice. This is Sarah. This is another one. Wala. Napag ko napalit nga pero it's nice. This is the blouse. This. Another sa akin napalit. This one. Short ni Dada. Nice. Sa? Siya yung brand. Pero kailangan ko. And it's only for 10 reals. Ako yung napalit by t-shirt and short ni JJ. And it's only for 3 reals each. And it's cute. See? Nice. This is the shirt. Plain blue. And then this striped short for JJ. Ako pinapalit for me din. Brown shirt. This is for 5 reals. This one another shirt for 5 reals. And then this two is for 3 reals each. Makapalit tayo bagsak. Press ko lang. Diba? 1 2. Grabe, mo niya ako pinakaunang napalit ka ganyan. It's really nice. I like it. O, diba? Pantulog. It's pink talaga. And it's a peacock. Korean style. Nice. It's 10 reals. Kani, ganahan kay Pwede kay 3 reals each lang dyan niya siya. This is for JJ. Diba? Nice. 1. Nice. 2. And his favorite, dinosaur judo palitot. 3. This white shirt. 4. Good vibes. And a jogger. It's nice. And pinaka-last mo ang pinaka-cheap dyan sa tanan ako napalit. This is only for 2 reals. Palda ni siya. Palda ni siya nga na-slit diri sa kilid. Ano ko ani? And then, kani 2 reals lang. Pantalon. Napilian rin ako. See? And, charot-charot mo radyog mag-workout. Napalit ko ani. Leggings. And sports bra. Pang workout. Ambot lang og ma-motivate na to ani mag-workout. Wala ito mga day mga dang. Thank you. Bye.